Progress and setbacks. Got the spacers on, front tires, so we can get the slicks on there. It'll handle a lot better. Had to take the case off because it was shooting fire out the damn carburetor. Because the timing was off, but the lash was not. There was nothing wrong with the lash or the valves. So the valve train was fine. Opened this up and it sheared the fucking key. So took the flywheel off, got another key, put it back on there, tightened back down to 65, and I don't even have the gas tank on, and it turned right over and kept running for a good minute. It's flying now, so I'm gonna try and put it back together and see what happens. I also recently switched the spring from the red to the yellow and drilled a hole so I can get higher gear out of it. New carb because we lost a set screw, 34 millimeter, same size we had before as far as the intake and the output, but it's just a smaller carb. Fits in there better.